Hey guys, welcome back to Burns' Math Club. Today we'll be learning how to solve a system of equations using the elimination method. In our previous two videos, we learned the graphing method and the substitution method. When you're eliminating, you're basically trying to find two terms which are like terms, and you're trying to cancel them out. So in this case, here we have a linear system of equations, and we have the equations 2x plus 5y is equal to 17 and 6x minus 5y is equal to negative 9. Here we have the like terms, which are 5y and 5y, but notice that the signs are different, positive and negative. If you have the same term with different signs, they will eliminate or cancel each other out, because think of it as this: you have 5 apples and you eat 5 apples, then you're left with nothing, which is 0. So positive 5y and negative 5y cancel each other out. So we're left with 2x and 6x, which is 8x, is equal to 17 minus 9, which is 8. So divide by 8 on both sides to isolate the variable. 8 divided by 8 is 1, so it leaves us with 1x, or simply x, is equal to 8 divided by 8, which is 1. So that means the value of x is 1. Now we can substitute the value of x into either one of these equations to find the value of y. So let's do it in the first equation. So we have 2, and then the value of x is 1, plus 5y is equal to 17. So we have 2 plus 5y is equal to 17, minus 2 on both sides, because 2 and 17 are both numbers which are like terms. So 5y is equal to 17 minus 2, which is 15. Divide by 5 on both sides, and we get y is equal to 3. So the value of y is 3. So the final solution of this system of equations is, which isn't supposed to be in x and y format, so it'll be 1, 3. So this is how you solve a system of equations using the elimination method. Now let's solve another example. So here we have negative 2x plus 15y is equal to negative 32, and we have 7x minus 5y is equal to 17. Now notice here that we do not have any terms that will eliminate each other, because none of them are equal to one another, right? Or in other words, none of them have the same term but with different signs. Now here we see that we have positive 15y and negative 5y. Now this is where you have to think logically and you have to think mathematically. So if you have positive 15y and negative 5y, is there a number that you can multiply negative 5 by to get a negative 15, because a positive and negative 15 would cancel each other out? Well, yes, there is. If you multiply negative 5 by 3, you will get negative 15, which will cancel out or eliminate with positive 15. But the thing is, you have to multiply the whole equation by positive 3. You can't just multiply negative 5y by 3, because that would mess up the equation. So you have to multiply by 3 for the entire equation. So you have to use the distributive property. So distribute 3 to 7x, which would give you 21x. 3 to negative 5y would give you negative 15y, and 3 to 17 would give you 51. So now we have negative 2x, so let's bring that first equation down as well. So negative 2x plus 15y is equal to negative 32. So negative and positive cancel each other out, and we're left with 21x minus 2x, which give us 19x is equal to 51 minus 32, which is 19 as well. 19x, so we have to divide by 19 on both sides to isolate the variable, and we get x is equal to 1. So the value of x is 1. Now let's solve the second equation. So now let's solve for the value of y. So since we know the value of x is 1, let's substitute it in, let's say, the first equation. So we have negative 2 times 1 plus 15y is equal to negative 32, is equal to negative 32. So we get negative 2 plus 15y, oh, sorry, I wrote it wrong. Okay, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, plus 15y is equal to negative 32. So next we have to add 2 onto both sides. We get 15y is equal to negative 32 and positive 2, which give us negative 30. Divide by 15 on both sides, and we get y is equal to negative 2, because negative 30 divided by positive 15 gives us negative 2. So the value of y is negative 2. So the final solution of this system of equations, which we solved using the elimination method, is 1, negative 2. So this is how you solve systems of linear equations using the elimination method. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!